What if the real goal here is to have harmony, where your work, life, and well-being are finally aligned?
Welcoming the region and empowering Bistoni Miranda.
Do you agree that we are not just managing tasks? We are actually carrying expectations, responsibilities, and silent pressures. Our goal is not how we were programmed before. It's not how to live according to how we were programmed, which is performance-based. It is not about being filled half full or half empty. It is actually about how long you will hold it. When one of these is out of tune, everything else is out of tune. Emotional intelligence is not making your brain and your emotions fight. It is knowing, identifying your emotions, and putting or using intelligence on it. Awareness first. Why are you feeling that way? When you are good already with the first two S, self-awareness and self-management, that is the only time you will be good in being sensitive with somebody else's emotion. Being able to manage differences in emotions. When you're able to understand others' emotions, then it will now open and pave way to managing relationship. Please note, learning new things is always an upward struggle, but still upward.
We have learned so much actually, but these are very practical life lessons which we can apply not only in our personal life but also